What's up, traders? So in today's video, we are going to be talking about this amazing stock with a lot of upside potential named Foresight Autonomous, or ticker symbol FRSX. But before we talk about this stock, if you are new here, my name is Antonio and I like to talk about stock options and high demand stocks. So if you're interested in that, please be sure to like and subscribe, as you can expect more of this type of content. But a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so do invest according to your own personal risk tolerance and after you've done your own research. But here we can see that I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I bought 100 shares for an average cost of $6.07. I will be holding these shares till tomorrow because I believe that this stock still has a lot of room to run, and I do see it expanding up above $6 tomorrow. And if that happens, well, then I will be in the green. But you might be wondering, what is Foresight Autonomous? So we see here that the company announced earlier this month that it received a $1 million grant for the development of its sensor system. It also began forming partnerships to further autonomous vehicle AV plans. Foresight Autonomous has also been the target of speculation from some investors of late over a possible partnership with electric vehicle EV giant Tesla. So should you buy Foresight Autonomous Holdings ADR or FRSX? So Foresight Autonomous Holding has risen Wednesday morning, with the stock gaining 105% in the pre-market, trading at only $3.61. That was this morning. So short-term technical score of 100 indicates that the stock has traded more bullishly over the last month than 100% of stocks on the market. In the auto parts industry, which ranks 48 out of 146 industries, Foresight Autonomous Holding ADR ranks higher than 100% of stock. Foresight Autonomous Holding ADR has risen 216.67% over the past month, closing at $1.25 on November 25th. During this period of time, the stock fell as low as $1.17 and as high as $3.40. So Foresight Autonomous Holding ADR has a long-term technical rank of 99. This means that trading over the last 200 trading days has placed the company in the upper half of stocks, with 1% of the market scoring higher. In the auto parts industry, which is number 26 by this metric, FRSX ranks better than 100% of stocks. So if we look at the analyst opinions, we see that the consensus is a buy, but that's based off of 2 buy ratings. And we do see that the net income isn't a negative, but people are looking at this as a long-term play and just hoping that they can get something going with what they're trying to do and with what they're trying to produce for the EV cars and companies such as Tesla. A big asset manager such as ARK Invest has bought a lot of shares, and they seek to provide exposure to autonomous mobility, electric vehicles, robotics and automation, 3D printing, and space exploration. Advancements in these areas are enhancing productivity while reducing costs and transforming manufacturing, production, and infrastructure. That's kind of ARK Invest's bread and butter. That's what they focus on. But now let's look at Foresight Autonomous and let's look at some of their products. So we see that they have the QuadSight. The QuadSight multi-spectral vision solution represents a new vision for autonomous vehicles. It achieves exceptionally accurate obstacle detection in harsh lighting and weather conditions, including complete darkness, rain, haze, fog, and glare. It strategically addresses the AV industry's 2 main challenges: the ability to detect any obstacle on the road and the ability to safely operate in even extreme weather and lighting conditions. QuadSight system is targeting the ADAS, semi-autonomous, and full autonomous vehicle applications. Foresight's QuadSight systems offer a complete solution for forward-facing detection of objects on the road, making it a key building block that will enable level 3, 4, and 5 vehicle autonomy across multiple industries and applications. See that some of their unique characteristics is that it's accurate. Exceptionally accurate obstacle detection with near 0 false alert. All obstacles detects any object regardless of size, shape, or material, and it can operate in even the harshest weather and lightning conditions. It's based on mature proprietary technology, advanced algorithms for accurate depth analysis, passive interference and hazard-free, fuses visible light and infrared cameras for accurate obstacle detection, passive 3D visualization of location and distance, full aspect auto calibration for system robustness. Solution can be tailored to meet customer requirements. Okay, now these companies, along with every company traded in the stock market, will go up and down. It's how the market works. But if you've done your own research and believe in the company long term, then you can invest. Don't buy some shares and on the first dip panic sell. That is how you lose money in the stock market. You need to be patient and believe in the company you've invested in and allow them to grow and expand, and then you as an investor can reap the rewards. If you are unsure about your investment, you should possibly consider taking some profits or reducing your investment size. But anyways guys, I am not a financial advisor. Invest according to your own personal risk tolerance and be sure to preserve your capital. Let me know what you guys think of this company and what your plan is in the comments down below, as well as ask questions. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to support the channel and to show me that you like this type of content. And if you do, then be sure to expect more. But that's been it guys. Peace.